The ZZ plant, scientifically known as Zamioculca zamifolia, is a popular choice among indoor plant enthusiasts. With its glossy, dark green leaves and striking geometric form, it adds a touch of elegance to any space. One of its standout features is its ability to thrive in low light conditions, making it an ideal plant for those with limited natural light. The ZZ plant is also praised for its resilience and drought tolerance, requiring minimal care and water. Its sturdy, upright stems store water, allowing it to withstand periods of neglect. Additionally, the ZZ plant has air-purifying qualities, improving the quality of indoor air. Overall, this low-maintenance beauty offers both aesthetic appeal and ease of care, making it a beloved choice for plant lovers of all levels.